Hey everyone. So, I recently got the Amazon Fire TV 50-inch 4 series from Amazon. The link is down below in the description. If you're planning to buy, just check that same link. You'll get the best deal, genuine product, and super quick delivery, exactly like I did. Now, let's talk about the TV. I've been using it for about a week, and I'll be honest, I didn't expect this much quality at this price. The setup was super easy. I just connected it to Wi-Fi, signed into my Amazon account, and boom, all my apps, watch list, and Alexa preferences were already synced. The picture quality really surprised me. For a 50-inch 4K panel, it's bright, sharp, and colors pop nicely, especially when you watch HDR content. It supports HDR10+, and that's something you rarely see at this price point. The details in dark scenes are clear, and even fast action scenes look smooth. I mostly watch OTT shows and YouTube, and it handles both flawlessly. The interface is fast, no lag or delay while switching between apps. The Fire TV OS just keeps getting better. It feels cleaner, more intuitive, and really well integrated with Alexa. Speaking of that, the Alexa remote is a big plus. I can literally say, "Alexa, play The Boys on Prime Video," and it starts instantly. You can control volume, input brightness, everything through voice. Sound quality is also good. It's got Dolby Audio, so dialogue sound crisp and background effects are well balanced. I connected my soundbar via HDMI ARC, and it's synced perfectly, no audio lag at all. Another cool feature is the ambient experience. When you're not watching anything, you can turn your TV into a smart photo frame or display weather updates, artwork, and calming visuals. It looks amazing in the living room. Gives that premium vibe, almost like Samsung's art mode, but at a way more affordable price. One thing I really appreciate, the free and live TV channels. You get hundreds of live channels built right in, no extra subscription needed. I've been using it almost daily now, and it honestly feels like great value for price. So yeah, if you want a 4K smart TV that's fast, smooth, and Alexa powered, this Amazon Fire TV 50-inch 4 series, newest model, is a solid pick. Picture quality, features, and overall experience, all well balanced. Totally worth it. If you're planning to buy, check out the Amazon link below. That's where I got mine, and you'll likely find the best offers there too.